Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you've recently updated to iOS 27 or you're thinking about installing it, this video is for you. While iOS 27 brings exciting new features, some users are also experiencing a few issues. In today's complete guide, we'll look at the most common iOS 27 problems and the best ways to fix them. Every major iOS release comes with improvements, but it's normal for early versions to have a few bugs and performance issues. Fortunately, many of these problems can be fixed with simple troubleshooting steps. Let's go through some of the most common complaints and their solutions. One of the biggest issues users report is battery drain. After updating to iOS 27, your iPhone may use more power than usual while it indexes files and optimizes apps in the background. If battery life seems worse, give it a day or two. You can also reduce background app refresh, lower screen brightness, and enable low power mode when needed. Another common problem is overheating. Some users notice their iPhones getting warmer during charging or heavy use. Restarting the device, updating apps, and avoiding intensive tasks while charging can often help reduce heat. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity issues are also being reported. If you're having trouble connecting, try toggling Wi-Fi or Bluetooth off and on, restarting your device, or resetting network settings. These steps solve most connection-related problems. Performance lag is another concern, especially on older iPhone models. If apps feel slow or animations appear choppy, make sure all apps are updated to their latest versions. Freeing up storage space and restarting the device can also improve performance. Some users have noticed app crashes after upgrading to iOS 27. In most cases, developers release compatibility updates quickly. Check the App Store regularly and install any available updates. Finally, if you're experiencing random bugs, glitches, or unusual behavior, make sure you're running the latest version of iOS 27. Apple frequently releases updates that include bug fixes and stability improvements. Overall, iOS 27 offers many exciting features, but like any major software update, it may come with a few temporary issues. The good news is that most problems can be fixed with simple adjustments or future software updates from Apple. If this guide helped you solve an iOS 27 problem, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and Apple news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.